How are you guys? How are you guys? Meet Walid. He is from Pakistan, Bangladesh. Would here is your friend Walid. He's from Bangladesh.
You live with your family?
No, I live alone.
You live alone?
Thank you,
With your
guys.
friend or only alone?
Yeah. No, alone with my family.
You don't like to make friends?
I am married. I am married. I am married.
Oh,
I forgot I am married. I have a husband.
okay.
He's like a cat. Husband cat husband. You don't have a wife?
No, I'm not married.
You should get married. You can marry to Jojo Mojo.
Why?
You can marry to Mojo. He is a handsome man.
Boy, and he is also boy. How can I marry him?
It's okay.
No, I don't like
He's a
him.
gay.
Also, in my
Gay.
country, it's not allowed to marry same gender.
It's okay. You can go to America, everything will be allowed.
If it's allowed, but I don't like.
It's okay, you will like. I'm telling you, you have to like.
Okay, I have a question. Do you like to marry same gender? You support or
I don't mind. I can marry same gender. It's okay. It's better. I will divorce my husband soon and I will get married to Pati. Just we are now in the process of divorce.
Why? What is
You
the
know?
reason? You don't like your husband?
Yeah, I don't like him. He's so boring.
No, I think you're doing fun with me.
You're doing fun. I'm not doing fun. Come on. I told you I'm not giving me any base, so I'm not gonna entertain you.
Can you show your necklace? What is it? I can see.
No, it's expensive. It's diamonds. Your nose
Party
is
also don't
reflecting. Your
like
eyes
to
can see.
same gender married.
It's okay. You will like one day. You will like one day. You know, everything is possible. Sanitary.
You don't like men?
I like girls.
You want
You
to...
don't like men?
No, I like as a friend, as a brother.
As a brother? It's always start like this. He is my brother. He is my brother. But the end, you guys get married.
No.
Oh, okay.
It's never happened in my life.
How old are you? So I will tell you if it's gonna happen in the future.
Okay, can you guess my age? How old I am?
You look 40.
I look?
Yeah, you look 40.
No, I look 18. No,
You're 40, right?
I look 80. Double 40, double 80.
No, you look 40 years old.
Okay, I have no issue if I look like 40. How old are you?
I am 45 years old.
No, you are a big liar.
Yes.
You don't look like.
No, not big liar. I said I don't like, but I am.
You like under 13. 30, sorry.
No, I'm 40. I'm 40. I'm 44. 45.
Tell me about your country. I would like to know about your country.
My country, beautiful country. We have beautiful dishes.
If I go there, I want to visit your country. Which place I should visit? Which place you recommend?
You should go. You should go to Marrakesh. Marrakesh, beautiful city. You can try the local food. Tagine, pastilla, drink mint tea. So you can go to Marrakesh and the Blue City.
What is the reason you recommend Balakesh? It's a beautiful place.
Marrakesh because it's so famous. It's so famous. A lot of people come to Marrakesh.
How?
It's so famous.
You visit Balakesh?
Yeah, of course I visit Marrakesh.
How many times
course.
you visited?
I think 4 times, 5 times.